like 청담. Today we will be talking about studying. What is studying? I think studying is an important thing. Why is studying important? Because everyone wants to be smart. So studying is important. What is good about studying in a group? I think studying in a group, one person can ask questions and one person can answer. What is good about studying alone? I think when you study alone, you must focus than in a group. And what is bad about studying in a group? I think studying in a group can make you lose focus because many people are talking. Finally, what is bad about studying alone? I think studying alone is not fun. I prefer studying in a group. I have two reasons for why studying in a group is better. First, I like studying when it is fun. For example, I say what I because thing and I like talking. In my life, I always studying alone and it is not fun and group is good. Second, I have many questions, so I have many on one people share the answer. For example, I see interesting question, so I have one person help to answer. In my life, I have many questions, but I study alone, so no one can help me answer my question. So I want studying in group. In conclusion, I won't prefer studying in a group because first, I like having fun when studying. Second, I have many questions, so I have one people to share the answer. Thank you for listening to my speech.